Hey guys, welcome back to another cleaning video. Today I'm going to tackle our bathroom and the boys' bathroom. Here's a sample of some of the cleaners that I used today as I clean the bathrooms. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope it inspires you to do some cleaning of your own.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
I always start with the toilet first. I always put the cleaner in the toilet and let it set while I clean the rest of the bathroom. Then when I come back, it's set in there for a while.
It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna say.
I'm going to start by scrubbing down the shower walls first. As you can see, I can't really reach the top of the shower. If it's really dirty, I'll get a step stool. But today it wasn't too bad because I just cleaned it a few days ago. After I get the walls done, then I spray the glass and go ahead and clean it. That way I'm not stepping on my clean floor after it's clean because I have to get inside the shower to give the glass a good scrub down.
It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save and oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how.
Now I'm going to clean the bottom of the shower. I use BarKeeper's Friend because it gets all the grime and soap scum off the bottom. I've tried to use other cleaners, but it just doesn't work as well as the BarKeeper's Friend. So I just add a little bit of water. As you saw, I got some water from the bathtub, and I just pour a little bit in there to kind of make a paste, and then I just scrub it down, and the soap scum comes right off. wanted to show you these two things, muscle relaxer and my Bath & Body Works shower gel I've been using. The muscle relaxer you get at Walmart, it's like $5, and it works so well. When the boys come home and their legs are aching from basketball practice, I just make them get in the tub and soak in that, and it really does work. It's only $5, so I usually stock up on it when I go to Walmart. And then the Pralines and Pear, I love that shower gel. I went to get some fall scents, and oh my gosh, it smells so good.
There's something right about
electronic cleaning gel works great for all your TV screens. I highly recommend using it. Once I'm done cleaning the whole bathroom, then I go back to the toilet. The cleaner's been sitting in there for a long time, so I just scrub it down and then use my spray to spray down the rest of the toilet and just wipe it down. The toilet is my least favorite thing to clean in the bathroom. I don't know if I've told you guys about this vacuum in some previous videos, but if I haven't, I just wanted to let you know this Dyson cordless vacuum is the best purchase I've ever made. I got it at Lowe's on the Thanksgiving sale, which that Thanksgiving sale is coming up, so I would definitely be on the lookout for it. I got a really good deal on it.
on our skin. We are young, we feel everything. Yeah, it's starting to begin. Hear the words we were meant to sing. Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn. We light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay silence. We can break the silence. We can break the silence. In the distance, I can see all the things that we can achieve. Are you starting to believe that tonight it was meant to be? Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn. Light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are.
Thank you so much for watching my clean video today. I hope it inspired you to clean. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this. If you want to see more videos like this, please let us know. And please don't forget to subscribe. When I finish cleaning, I always light a candle. It just makes me feel like the room is complete. Oh, and stay tuned for the bloopers at the end of this video.
Yep, go ahead. Oh.
Not in the dark.
I turned the lights off.
That's not gonna work. Ready?
Oh, yeah. The paper towel basketball shot.
Oh, and he misses.
Mom's turn, round 2. Can we make it?
Yeah.
Oh!
There you go.
I made it closer.